Alright guys, this is your girl Brandy. I'm back again with another hair tutorial video. And today we're going to be using the Creme of Nature Pure Honey line. I'm going in with some shampoo right now. Keep in mind guys that this shampoo gets very sudsy, so you do not have to use a lot. Because if you use a lot, you'll be washing for days like I was trying to rinse it out. Also, this product contains no sulfates and no minerals, but it does contain parabens, and it has a very strong smell of alcohol and honey in it. So if you're kind of like on the pure natural side, this may not be a product for you. Okay guys, I'm going in with the conditioner. The one thing that I can tell you about the conditioner that I did like, it was very thick and moisturizing. I do not feel like the conditioner had as much a slip as I normally would like, because I didn't feel comfortable thoroughly detangling my hair with the conditioner in, because I'm used to being able to just glide my hands through my hair. Okay guys, I'm going to be styling my hair right here. I'm going to be placing a couple of flat twists in the front of my hair. But I must say, this wash and go, I'm really digging it, because my hair was moisturized after it. And sometimes I have to add extra oils in my hair, because shampoos will just dry your hair out. And this shampoo and conditioner left me with a lot of moisture, so that was a plus. So I'm going to be using their twisting cream and the leave-in conditioner, not away leave-in conditioner. I most definitely did feel like that the twisting cream was perfect for my hair, because even though it was thick, it wasn't too heavy, and it did not weigh down my curls. So my curls still felt light and bouncy. Y'all know that struggle of trying to be a hairstylist when you're not really about that life. So let's try this again. There we go. I'm not really feeling this fat test right here, but it's going to be what it's going to be, so. Then I'm going to go in with my grow edges and my toothbrush. Slick those edges down in the front. And I'm going to put some little accessories on the front of my hair. You can get these from the beauty supply store for like $2. I wanted it to be different, so I wanted to go in with some pretty little popping colors. So I'm going in first with the leave-in conditioner, and I'm just breaking that through my hair, getting my curls popping, loosening up my curls. And I will say, versus the conditioner, versus the leave-in conditioner had more slip, and I was able to actually detangle with that and the twisting cream versus the conditioner that you use in the shower. So that was a plus for me on that one. And they really had my curls popping. I mean, I know you guys see it. Look at them. My hair was already pre-damped from just washing it, but the parts that dried up really quick, I just sprayed some warm water on them from my spray bottle and kept repeating the same steps until I got finished, and that was my complete wash and go. Overall, guys, I think this product was a plus. I would give it this product about a 6. And the reason why I say that is because I wouldn't want to use it all the time, because it does have parabens in it, and it does have a strong fragrance smell that is a little bit overbearing. But it is very moisturizing, and it did have my curls really popping, and I did like the outcome of my wash and go. So it was not something that I would use all the time, but it's something that I would use for a pretty little quick style Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get more videos. I am out. Peace.